Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template using Morph Transition in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, go to the format background and insert a picture that you want to use. So I'm gonna use this image. Close the format background and then insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Change its color to black and increases transparency from this format shape panel. Select it. Insert a text box with the text that you want to use in it. Increase its size and align it into the center. And here you go. Let's just put it into the middle and let's just increase its size a bit more. So first of all, what you have to do is just let me increase the size a bit. So select the rectangle and then the text box and then click on subtract and the merge options. So let me just reselect the text and move it a bit upwards because I want. So now we can just easily subtract it. Yeah, so something like this it looks. Duplicate the same slide and increase the size of this rectangle by pressing Ctrl and then increasing its size and then moving it upwards, then the text is not visible. And let's just increase the zoom in the slide and insert a picture with the person's image that you want to use and then insert your content text and then decrease its size. Let me just move it onto the template. Change its color so that you can see where it is right now because the black outer shape is just not real nice. So next you're gonna give it some outline and then select both these and copy them and paste them onto the first template and move them out of the template in different sides. So select both of these templates and give them more transition. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to download this template for free from the link in the description below. You can also check out my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like these.